Hello lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truth Be Told with Tara. So today I'm going to be doing a Pinch Me box. It's not a very big box. Recently they've kind of switched things up to where you bid on items and you may get it, you may not. I have actually got quite a few items through bidding, but they're smaller items. I know the other day I tried to bid on something and it was Makeup by Mario. And I'm so interested in Makeup by Mario. I don't have anything from him. So I would really love to start trying Makeup by Mario before I buy it. Like, I would love to sample it first. But I lost that bid, so that kind of sucked. That's one of there was only two so far that I've lost. But I'm going to just show you, like, I just got this box yesterday, and there's not a whole lot in it, but let me show you what you can get just for a little bit of time. So, of course, they always put the HelloFresh in there. They always put Ricola in there. Every box I get Ricolas. And they put this little thing, the Moctinis, and apparently I got the Moctini at some point because it was asking me to review it, but I don't remember ever getting it. So, but I'm gonna have to go back through my stuff and see. So let's get to the good stuff. All right. Well, here is, yeah, okay, so that's just a Pinch Me card. So I've got a lot of these. It's the Ecos Tukuma. It's a lotion, and it is quite nice, so it doesn't hurt my feelings to get, another one. So I got a Nescafe Taster's Choice. So the funny thing is whenever they put this up, like, it shows like a whole jar, you know what I mean? But this is what you end up getting. So I hope I didn't actually bid on that. Okay, so here we have Welly Glow in the Dark Flex Fabric Bandages. That's kind of cute, especially if you have little ones running around. I don't have little ones running around. Okay, but it only gave me one. So that's a little disheartening. But, I mean, I think they could have gave you a box. But whatever. Okay. So this is Ultima 6 Essential Electrolytes Strawberry Margarita. So this is the Moctini. So we'll have to try that and see. I mean, I guess it's supposed to be like, instead of having a drink like an alcohol drink, you have that drink instead. And I don't know. I'll have to try it out and see. Okay, so there's only a couple things left. Okay, I got a sponge. I don't know which sponge this is. So yeah, one of those, which these are always really good. Like, I like to put my makeup on with brushes, but when you're done, like, to go back over everything and just kind of blend it all in, that's what I use them for, and I love them. So okay, I got another Moctini, and it is Cranberry Cosmo. And this is last but not least. This is what? Okay, time to pull out the glasses. CMAADU Liquid Matte Lipstick. And I love that packaging. Like, that's really, really cute. And I do love matte. I have a matte, but that's from MAC Cosmetics, and it's the best matte lipstick that I have ever used. Oh, I don't like that color, but you know what? I'm going to try it just for you guys. So, oh, my dog is outside. He's whining. Okay, so let's do this really quick. so I can go get my puppy. He's not a puppy, he's a big dog. And just to mention, God, I do not like red lipstick. I hate it. I hate it. I don't know. I just feel like it looks crazy. On me, not everybody. A lot of people can pull off red. I am not one of those people. So, okay. So speaking of my dog, Colt, I did get BarkBox, and I had already done a video on it, and it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it. But, and two, I have completely changed. Like, whenever I first got the box, it was small, and I was a little let down. But we'll talk about that in the next video. So, I hate the red. I just do. I don't know why. All right, so that's it for the Pinch Me box. There wasn't a lot in here. We got some coffee, we got some martinis, but it's free, you know what I mean? And it is a good way, and we got a sponge. So it is a good way to try some stuff, and I think every time that you, to me, it's like 5 minutes. Every time that I go on and I want to do a sample, it takes 5 minutes to fill out the questionnaire, if that. 3 to 5 minutes. Usually I do it whenever I'm sitting in my car at work during a break. So I get 2 15-minute breaks and I get a 30-minute lunch. So most of that time I'm on Pinch Me, like doing my thing. So, all right, well, that was okay. I've got better boxes from them. I've not got a lot from Influencer lately, but I think that's because I haven't been doing a lot of reviews. You guys know I've been struggling a little. I'm feeling much better now, and I'm hoping to start losing this extra weight that I've put on. So, okay, I'm going to shut up. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in the next, and we will be talking about the BarkBox. So, I'll see you guys then. Bye.